Hello and welcome back. I ran out of time in the previous video, so this will be part 3, part 2. So I just really quickly wanted to go through how you factor something that's not a polynomial. Again, this is not a polynomial because we have powers that aren't positive integers. So I have 1 minus x to the negative 1/2 here, and 1 minus x to the 1/2. So this is clearly not a polynomial. So how would we go about doing this? Well, we can still try to factor out a greatest common factor out of both of these. And to do that, what I want to do is I want to factor out the smallest power out of both of these. And I'll show you what happens when we do so. So this first term, we still have a 1 minus x to the negative 1/2 power. And in order to factor out this 1 minus x to the negative 1/2 power, I have to be able to find it in here. So I'm going to write this down in a slightly funny way. I'm going to take 1 minus x to the negative 1/2 power and 1 minus x to the 2/2 power. Again, what you'll notice is that if we were to multiply these guys together, when you multiply two things with the same base, you add the exponents. Well, what's minus 1/2 plus 2/2? Oh, it's the 1/2 that we saw from before. So this term here is exactly the same as this term. I haven't changed anything, just the way it looks. And now it's really clear that I can factor out the 1 minus x to the negative 1/2 out of both of these. So this will be equal to 1 minus x to the negative 1/2 times, I'm left with an x in the first term, and I'm left with, so I'll have plus 1 minus x to the 2/2 power. And to the 2/2 power, that's just 1. So 1 minus x to the first power is just 1 minus x. Likewise, now I can simplify what's in here. X plus 1 minus x plus x and minus x will cancel out, and I'm left with 1 minus x to the 1/2 power times 1. Well, anything times 1 is just itself. And I will stop there. Essentially, we can factor out things that factor non-polynomials out, and we can factor things to more interesting powers out of polynomials as well.